Hello, good morning, one and everyone. Measures of central value, measures of central tendency, chapter number 3 in statistics. We take discrete type of frequency distribution in which we have to compute the value of mean, median and mode for this type of distribution. Variable value 206, 212, 218, 220, 224, 230 and the related frequencies are 5, 8, 9, 14, 3 and 1. Calculate values of mean, median and mode for this type of distribution. Last time we have seen the ungrouped data. See, this is the most important chapter in statistical studies. First of all, identify the type of the data, the type of the frequency distribution and then start. Prepare this table. The necessary columns are X, F, or it is also known as Xi, Fi. CF means cumulative frequency. Product means multiplication F into X. D means X minus A. This is deviation. Finally, F into D, multiplication of F and D. Xi as it is 206, 212, 248, 220, 224 and 230. The related frequencies are 5, 8, 9, 14, 3 and 1. Now prepare the column of CF. Cumulative frequency. Generally cumulative frequency are calculated as top to bottom. This type of CF is known as less than type cumulative frequency, in which first frequency remain as it is 5, then add successive frequencies, means 5 plus 8 become 13, 13 plus 9 become 22, 22 plus 14 it becomes 36, 36 plus 3 39, 39 plus 1 40, 40 and total of frequency is also 40. This 40 and this 40 remain same. Then product means multiplication of F and X. F into X, 206 multiplied by 5, 1030. 212 multiplied by 8, 1696. 218 multiplied by 9, 1962. 220 into 40, 3080. 224 multiplied by 3, 672. 230 multiplied by 1, 230. And total of Fx is 8670. Then for calculating mean by another method, by shortcut method or by step deviation method, by using assuming method, D means X minus A. Take any value from this value and not necessarily that the value inside the Xi. You may select the other value also outside this. We take for the convenience purpose take 220. Now subtract 220 from each value of X. 206 minus 220 minus 14. 212 minus 220 minus 8. 280 minus 220 minus 2. 220 minus 220 it becomes 0. 224 minus 220 simply 4. 230 minus 220 10. F and D multiplication, that is product. Frequency and deviation column. 14 5s are 70. With sign plus minus means minus 70. 8 multiplied by 64 with minus sign. 9 2s are 18 with minus sign. 0 multiplied by any number 0. 4 3s are 12. 10 into 1 10. And ultimately the total is minus 130. N means frequency total 4040. Frequency total. A means assuming 220 we have taken. You may select any value. Maximum frequency in which maximum value is 14, therefore maximum frequency is 14. This is necessary data. Now calculation of mean, median and mode one by one. Arithmetic mean denoted by x bar or simply it is known as mean. Sigma fx upon n, total of fx 8670 upon n means frequency total. Frequency total is 4040. Division of these to 216.75. Call this as answer number 1. Another method for computing arithmetic mean a plus sigma fd upon n, total of fd minus 130 minus 130 upon 40, 0 0 cut, minus means plus minus become minus 13 upon 4, 3.25. Therefore, ultimately the answer will be 216.75. By using any method, either of the two methods, answer of arithmetic mean remains same, 216.75, 216.75. Means you may apply any one of these two methods. Now second method is median. Median is nothing but n plus 1 upon 2/8. Observation or value or item, you may write anything, right? N means 40, 40 plus 1. 40 plus 1 means 41. 41 upon 2 means 20.5. 20.5. 20.5 in column of CF. Up to 5. No. 30. No. 22. We have to see this value or just more than this value. 20.5 or more than this. Means this is the median group. Enter this value. Therefore, this xi variable value is median 218. Therefore, answer of median is 218, not this. Answer of median is 218. One more thing. See, if income is given, then rupees must be written with the answer. Answer must be written with the proper unit. Otherwise, marks may be cut. Therefore, median is 218. If height is given, then centimeter, inches, whatever may be. If production is given, kilogram, quintal, ton, whatever may be unit given. Answer must be written with the proper unit. Here unit must be mentioned, whatever may be given to you. Mode. The definition of mode. Definition of mode is maximum frequency related value. Maximum frequency is 14. Therefore, maximum frequency is 14. Hence, by using definition, mode is 220. See, frequency maximum value 14 and the related value is 220. Therefore, mode by using definition, mode equal to 20. Call this as answer number 3. See, this is most important chapter in the study of statistics. And another two chapter number 4 and 5 based on this chapter. So please be practice minimum 10 number of example of each type. This is discrete type frequency distribution, but you must practice from practice book, textbook, PDF file or past year papers, whatever may be obtained. Means please practice this and regular means your notes must be ready. Classwork, homework, PDF file, test may be given, and therefore be practice at home. Regularly study and take care of your health, for particularly for you and your family. Right? Okay, nice to meet you.